Welcome back to the Beaded Jewel, everybody. I'm Rochelle, and this video is going to be on Bargain Bead Box for March 2024, and it comes in this pretty little baby blue organza bag right here, and the theme is Seafoam Sunrise. So get ready for spring break. Vacation vibes abound with an array of Amazonite, including a top drilled teardrop focal, high quality 8mm rounds, and micro-faceted 3mm beads, plus a pair of faceted half-drill drops and a strand of matte flower Amazonite. Well, not saying that right today. In addition to all this blue-green beauty, you'll find frosted 10mm agate beads and sparkling crystals in peachy sunrise hues, plus antique copper findings. So there we go. That's the theme for March 2024, Seafoam Sunrise. So let's get started and take a look at everything that's in it. You get 16 pieces and one bonus in this month's box, and it is a retail value of $89.84. So let's get started. See what's going on here with number one. And let's see, here we go. Let me bring that in a little bit. This is gorgeous. This is very pretty. It's the pretty greenish blue seafoam color here. Looks a little marbleized in there. So pretty, very, I would say very Easter looking. It's pretty. So this is a 30 by 18 Amazonite teardrop pendant. Pretty. It's very nice and shiny. I don't see any flaws or scratches or dings, which is good. So, okay, so we'll leave that there. Going on to number two. Number two is a 3mm Amazonite faceted round beads, 15-inch. And there we go. And these are gorgeous. Same color theme going on here. This is going to be very pretty. Number three is a 18 by 6mm Amazonite half drilled facet teardrops, and these are also gorgeous. Now these are actually a little darker in person than what's coming off on the screen up there. So this is actually a lot darker in person, and so is this. Let's see. Here we are going with the same color theme. Very pretty. Number four. And of course it has the drilled hole up the top there and going out. Wait a minute, are these the half drilled? Number three? Yeah, half drilled. Sorry. Half drilled. There we go. Number four. 8mm Amazonite round beads, 7.5-inch strand, and these are gorgeous. A nice glossy finish there. You can see all the colors of the green in there. Very pretty. Number five. 5 is the 8mm flower Amazonite matte round beads, 14.5-inch strand, and here's where we have some different texture. I'll zone out a little bit. There we go. So these are matte, and of course you can see bluish green. We got some brown earth tones in there, a little bit of black. You got some whites. Very nice. And number 6 is a 10 mil agate dyed heated matte round beads. There you go. Some more earth tone colors here. Number 7. Number 7 is 8x6 mil faceted rondelles, peach and cream mix. And here's where we're going to get some sparkle. These are very pretty. So you have some amber color crystals here, a nice milky white, all with that AB finish on there. Very nice. And let's see, number 8. We have a 8 mil crystal, if I can get it open, 8 mil crystal faceted drop beads in marbled mint. It's a 10-inch strand, and these are gorgeous. Look at this. These are so pretty. I cannot even tell you. Look at that pop of green coming out of there with that blue. These are very pretty drop beads. And it has a nice faceted shiny finish on there. Just gorgeous. And number 9. 2-piece 34 by 22 mil. Oops, let me get this in my hands. 2-piece 34 by 22 mil filigree teardrop pendants. And these are gorgeous. Look at that scroll work. These are really pretty. Very pretty in person. It's going to give just a different element to whatever you make. And number 10 is the 4-piece 19 by 16 mil scrolled chandelier findings. Oops. There you go with these. These are really pretty. Number 11 is 7 by 5 mil lantern spacer beads. And number 12, 30-piece 7 mil scrolled bead caps. There we go with these. The 13 is going to be 3 sets of floral toggle clasp. And these are really pretty. And 14 is chain. Let's see, 1 meter 5 by 3 steel cable jewelry chain. $15 is 10-piece 15 by 10 mil brass ear wires here. There's our ear wires. And then of course we have our steel eye pins. Got those. And then let's see what the bonus is. Oh, okay. Well, the bonus is a 12 by 16 mil brass pinch bail in antique copper. Which can be used for the pendant there. So there we have it. March 2024, ready for spring. It's pretty. So that's it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you are new. And check out our store on Etsy where I put what I make on there from the Bargain Bead Box. Okay, so I have 2 stores on there. Do I know? Oh, I don't have it on this card. Oh well. The beadedjewelstore.etsy.com, and there's another one. This must be an older card. But anyway, go on there and you'll see some of my jewelry sets. You'll be familiar with what month they came from. You can try to guess. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you get your Bargain Bead Box very soon. I'll see you in the next video, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.